Senator Speaker Amason Kingi has urged residents of the Coast region to significantly increase voters' registration ahead of the 2027 general election, saying the region's political influence will depend on the size of the electorate. Kingi said the region's immediate priority should be securing President William Ruto's re-election before negotiating for a greater share of national leadership.
You cannot be the deputy president of William Ruto and you come with nothing. Hizo kura unamletea ni wamejikena wanaita viperekweche, vichache, huwezi. Na sisi upwani tunajiandaa vilivyo. Na ifikapo Disemba tuangalia kikapu chetu kikiwa kimekuwa kizito na zote tunalingisha kwa William Ruto. My friend, hii deputy president lazima tutaizungumzia hapa pwani.
Speaking during the event in Kwale, Fatma Chani has urged residents to remain focused on ongoing development projects, warning them against being distracted by promises as the election period approaches. Achani said politicians were likely to begin making numerous pledges, but urged citizens to evaluate leaders based on tangible achievements and ongoing progress.
Kile ambacho leo chafanyika hapa, lakini sisi tuna jukumu kubwa. Kama sisi tunataka kweli tufungukiwe zaidi, tuna jukumu kubwa la kuhakikisha ule uongozi mzuri ambao tayari umeanza kututambua tuweze kupatia nguvu.
Cabinet Secretary for Youth Affairs, Creative Economy and Sports Salim Mvurya announced that the government is taking steps to formally recognize madrasa teachers following a directive issued by President William Ruto. Speaking during the public event in Kwale, Mvurya said the president has promoted equitable development across the country, adding that communities that had previously felt overlooked were now receiving government greater attention and resources.
Yale mambo ambayo yamekweko, ambayo kumekosa sera, kumekosa sheria ya kumtambua mwalimu wa madrasa, ni mambo ambayo yatazikwa katika kaburi la sahau. Kwa sababu Mheshimiwa William Ruto ameweka agizo kwa Wizara ya Elimu waweze kutafuta sera ili walimu wa madrasa waweze kutambuliwa na serikali na kuweze kuwa na mfumo.
Coast leaders say increased voter registration and political unity will be the key in determining the region's bargaining power ahead of the 2027 general election. Reporting from VETI TV, I'm Sakina Rama.